everyone and welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for joining me. In today's video, we are doing a PR unboxing. I do these every single Friday here on my channel where I save up all my packages from the week and we see what's new in makeup together. We've got a bunch of really fun packages to get started with. So if you guys are ready, let's get started. Package came from Too Faced. I was so excited to get a package from them. So they sent over their new Natural Eyes palette. So this is like a revamp of their other Natural Eyes palettes. And then also we have the new Natural Face palette. You guys, first off, the outer packaging on these is so pretty. I love how they have like this sleeve. I just think that's like super sleek. And then inside the packaging, these palettes, I already peeked, but I actually got to sample them too at Generation Beauty and I got to swatch them and everything and they're so pretty. So this is the Natural Face palette. Let me know if you guys want to see a review. I'm planning on probably putting one up sometime next week, but let me know if that's something you guys want to see. Here is the inside of the face palette. So pretty. So we have bronzer, blushes, highlights. I want to swatch because I haven't yet. Ooh, this is Satin Sheets. And then let's swatch this one too. This is Starlight. All right, and I gotta put them on my hand so we can, yep, those are super pretty. And then we have the Natural Eyes palette, so pretty. I love this little heart detail right there, that is so cute. And here is the inside of here. You get a really nice large mirror as well on both palettes. And here is what that one looks like. I'm gonna swatch a few of these for you, but really pigmented, really pretty. Let me swatch them. They're not swatching as great as they do look in the pan, so I guess we'll see how they perform on the eyes, but I'm super excited to try out both of these. Let me know, like I said, if you guys want to see a review on them. Thank you so much to Too Faced for sending those over to me. This box came from Double Dare. I'm excited to see what they've sent over. If you guys don't know, they are a skincare brand. They have a lot of really fun masks. I use them a lot on my Instagram just because they're such fun masks and they're really hydrating and really nice for your skin. First thing I see in here is this OMG peeling gel. Ooh, so this is supposed to like help deep clean your skin. And let's see what it smells like. I actually really like the packaging. This is super cute. I'm gonna see if it smells good because I'm all about skincare smelling good. It does. It kind of has like a citrusy smell. I'm excited to try this out. And then also in here is this Honey Milk Drop Body Wash. I actually didn't even know that they had body wash. Honey is always so soothing. I love it. And then lastly in here, I'm not sure what this is. So it kind of looks like a hairbrush or like an exfoliator. Let's see what it says. It says that you can use it on your skin for cleansing, or also you can use it on your hair, cellulite care, foot care. So it looks like just like a multi-purpose type of brush. Thank you so much to Double Dare. I'm super excited to try that mask out and also those body products. Thank you guys. Next package came from GIRLACTIK. I am so excited to see what is inside of here. Ooh, this is cool. It's like a holographic case. So this says Glossy Lids Sparkly Lips. So let's see. This is like a super cute little case. Super hollow. So let's see. So it looks like here they have some new metallic shadow sticks. So these are going to be like crayons for your eyes. And this is actually really cool. So Eye Glossier, this is a glossy, like a gloss for your eyes. So it's supposed to go over the metallic and it says that it makes them glossy. That's really cool and different. And then also it looks like they have some new lip pearls. So these are gonna be like iridescent lip toppers. So let's see what some of them look like. So let's open them. So here are all 4 shades of the lip pearls. I swatched a few of them. Here are a few swatches. So this one here is lustrous. This looks so pretty. And then this top one is 24 karat. These are really nice. They look like they're gonna be like really pretty just on top of a lip. I kind of want to put one on right now. Let's put this one on. So this is the lustrous. I'm just gonna pop it on top of what I have on right now. So it just gives like a nice little iridescent look to your lip. It feels really comfortable. Cute. And here is what the metallic shadow stick looks like. Really actually kind of cool. I just swatched all 4 of them. So here are all 4 of the shades, those 2 middle shades. This is one of them. They are so pretty. These are cool. I don't think I have anything really similar to this, so I'm excited to try these out. And then I want to put the gloss on top and see what they look like. So this is like the gloss that's supposed to go on top. So I think I'm going to put it on top of this end one and just see what it looks like. So I put it on this one here. So it's going to give the lid just like a little bit of gloss. I'm not sure how I feel about that. I guess we'll see when I try it out on my eyes if it feels sticky or whatever. I'll let you guys know if you want to see this in like a first impressions or something. Let me know. But thank you so much to GIRLACTIK for sending those products over. Well, this next box came from NUGG, and it just said, we are excited for you to try our new peel off mask. So they have a peel off mask. So here's what it looks like. This is a charcoal and vitamin C peel-off mask. It says that it will help with pore cleaning and mattifying. And then also in here, there's like a little scoop. So reading on the back here, it says that you are supposed to use 3 tablespoons and then mix it with room temperature water. So you can probably get a few uses out of this packet, which is cool. And then also in here, there's like this little lollipop, one of those little like rock. I haven't had one of these in years, so. Thank you so much to NUGG. I love their skincare products. I love their masks. So I'm excited to try out a new one from them. So thank you guys. Next bag came from Flirt Cosmetics. Ooh, we got a new palette. Okay, so let's see. So this is their Love is Sweet eyeshadow palette. I want to try this out like right now. Ooh, the packaging is so cute. Just look at that. It's like swatches in love. That's cute. And here is the inside of the palette, which says Love Again. Wow, this is so cute. What cute packaging. So this is an eyeshadow palette, and let's see. I want to swatch this blue. Of course, I go right towards the blue. You guys know. Ooh, that looks really pretty. I'm going to swatch it for you guys. Ooh, that feels really nice too. Look how pigmented that is. And then let's swatch this silver shade. That one looks really nice as well. And then it looks like the rest are just mattes. This big one here looks like it could actually be a highlight, that third one. Let's see what that one looks like. Yeah, that one could actually be a highlighter on me. Swatch one more. There's a purple one. So there's the purple one. I want to put that blue on my lid like right now. These look just so like spring, and I just love the layout of this. What a cute little palette. Thank you so much, Flirt Cosmetics. I can't wait to try this out. Next package just came in the mail from Becca. I haven't gotten a package from them in a while, so I'll be curious to see what this is. So these are their brand new glowy glosses. So it looks like we have how many here? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 different lip glosses from Becca. I want to swatch some of them. Let's see. So this one is Champagne Cream. The packaging on these looks really similar to their Ocean Jewels collection. So let's give this one a swatch. I like the applicator. It's got like a little bit of a bend to it. That's going to make it nice when you're applying it on your lips. So let's give this, they feel a little bit sticky, at least when I'm applying it to my hands. So here is Champagne Cream. It looks like it's gonna be a really pretty nude shade. Let's swatch another one. So this one is called Dahlia. And this looks like it's gonna be like a vampy shade. And, ooh, wow. That's like a really deep berry shade. That one definitely looks super pigmented. So there's what that one looks like. I'm really excited to try these out on the lips and see how the formula, they do feel a little bit sticky on my hands. So I'm gonna try them out on my lips and see what I think. This one's really pretty too. This is Rose Quartz. That one's really pretty. So let me know if you guys want to see like a lip swatch videos on these. I could do them on my Instagram. Let me know. Thank you so much to Becca for this package. This last package here came from Pathology. I'm so excited. I'm getting to partner with them for a video. So they sent over some products for that. So they sent over their Clean AF On The Go facial wipes. I unboxed these, I believe, in my last PR unboxing. This is like a giant pack though. Oh my gosh. There's like 4 different packs in here. I actually used this the other day. If you guys followed me on Instagram, I was telling you guys how I've had lash glue stuck on my lashes for the past forever, for like 2 weeks straight. And I actually used one of these wipes and I got it off within like 2 seconds. So I think I'm gonna like these. These are the Clean AF wipes, and this is just like a jumbo pack of them. And also we have the Flash Patch Hydrating Lip Gels. You guys know I love these. I actually just used one the other day. And then also in here, this is their Flash Patch Hydrating Eye Gels. I actually really love using these, especially if you put them like in the refrigerator and get them cool. They just feel so hydrating on your under eyes. So here's what the package looks like. And then you actually just pull them out. They're inside of here. And there's like a bunch of different ones. I don't know how many's in here, 30 pairs. So it's a lot in here. And then the last thing in here is their Aquaflash. This is their new moisturizer, which I've actually been using a bunch too. I think I unboxed that a couple videos ago too. That's the one that's in like this jar here. Super hydrating for your skin. So can't wait to play with all of these in a future video. Thank you so much to Pathology for sending that over. All right, that's gonna do it for this week's PR unboxing. I hope you guys enjoyed seeing some new launches. Let me know which caught your eye the most, what products you guys wanna see a more in-depth review on. I would be more than happy to do that for you. Huge thank you to the brands for sending over these packages and for being so generous. And of course, thank you to you guys for making these videos possible for me and also for being so supportive on them and for continuing to watch them and like them. I love you guys and I really appreciate you. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel before you guys go. I post new videos every Monday, Wednesday, and then we do these pair unboxings every single Friday. Let me know if you guys have any requests for any future videos from me. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up if you liked it. Don't forget to enter those giveaways, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!